Opening hook picker this, you are drowning, not in water but in life itself. Every instinct screams, give up? Now here is a voice deeper than fear, stronger than doubt that whispers, learn to swim. Have you ever noticed how we all want mental toughness, but we look for it in comfortable places? That's like trying to find fire in an ice cube. Let me tell you something that might change your life. Your mind must be stronger than your feelings. The comfort trap here is a truth that most people never understand. Every poor decision you've ever made had more emotion involved than mind. Think about it. Your feelings keep you in bed. Your mind tells you to get up. Your feelings seek comfort. Your mind demands growth. And today we're going to learn how to make your mind the master. Main conch 1. The storm principle. Most people wait for life to create their storms. Champions. They create their own. Story illustration. Think of a young eagle. The mother eagle deliberately disturbs the nest, making it uncomfortable. Why? Because she knows. Comfort kills, pressure builds strength. Actionable number 1. Actionable number 1. Each day deliberately do something that makes you uncomfortable. Start small, but start today. The Band-Aid method here is something powerful about growth. Here is no gentle way to transform. You either rip off the Band-Aid or you stay wounded. Story illustration. Like a butterfly emerging from its cocoon, the struggle is essential. If you help it out, it dies. The resistance builds the strength it needs to fly. Action AFRI number 2. Make your fear list. Write down everything that scares you. Then start checking them off one by one. 3. The motion mandate. On days when you are tired, worn out, sick of the grind, go anyway. When you don't feel like working out, work out. When you don't want to get up, get up. Story illustration. Think of a train. It doesn't wait for motivation to move. It moves and momentum follows. Action gravity number 3. Start the motion before emotion. Practice. Every morning, do the right thing before you feel like doing it. 4. The mind's dominion. Your mind must be your master. Every time you choose mind over emotion, you build mental strength. Remember, the immediate gratification monkey will always whisper in your ear. Your job is to shut that door. The path that you are standing at a crossroads. One path leads to temporary comfort, the slow death of potential. The other leads through self-created storms, the birth of strength.
Remember, comfort is the enemy of growth. Action precedes motivation. Mind must master emotion. Final challenge. The warrior's choice. Stand up right now. Feel your feelings trying to keep you comfortable. Now, make this declaration. I choose mind over emotion. I choose growth over comfort. I choose strength over safety. Share your self-created storm in the comments below.
Let's build a community of warriors who understand that mental strength isn't found minus it's forged. Remember, the size of your success will be determined by the strength of your mind. Together we strengthen, together we grow, together we prove that mental toughness isn't inherited. It's earned. Your transformation begins now. Make your mind proud.